Welcome to the Introduction to Continuous Improvement. In this video, we will explore the concept of continuous improvement, often referred to as Kaizen, and discuss various approaches to achieving ongoing enhancement in processes, products, and services. We will delve into how embracing a culture of continuous improvement can lead to significant growth and efficiency gains within an organization, through process improvement, facilitating growth, and using iteration. What exactly is continuous improvement? It is a methodology for identifying opportunities to streamline work and reduce waste. Continuous improvement is based on the belief that regular, incremental changes can lead to significant improvements over time. It involves an ongoing effort to improve products, services, or processes, focusing on making small, gradual improvements and involving everyone in the organization. The diagram illustrates this continuous cycle. Let's explore the Kaizen philosophy. Kaizen is a Japanese concept, where Kai means change and Zen means good or better. Therefore, Kaizen translates to change for better. It embodies the idea of continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. The core principles of Kaizen are: 1. Continuous small improvements. 2. All employees are involved. 3. Eliminate waste, also known as muda. 4. Apply the Plan-Do-Check Act, or PDCA Cycle. 5. Focus on the process, not just the results. Here is the PDCA Cycle, also known as the Deming Wheel or Shewhart Cycle. It provides a structured approach to continuous improvement. The cycle consists of 4 stages: plan, identify and analyze the problem, establish objectives and processes to deliver results, do, implement the solution or process, often on a small scale to test it, check, monitor and evaluate the results against objectives to identify any differences, act, take action based on what was learned, adjust the process if needed, and standardize successful changes. The 5S methodology is a systematic approach to workplace organization and standardization. It focuses on creating a clean, organized, and efficient work environment. The 5 S's are: S1 Sort, or SIRI. Remove unnecessary items and keep only what is needed. S2 Set in Order, or SETIN. Arrange essential items for easy access and use. S3 Shine, or SIZO. Clean the workspace and equipment regularly. S4 Standardize, or Saiketsu. Create consistent methods for maintaining the first 3 S's. S5 Sustain, or Shitsuke. Make 5S a habit and maintain discipline. Implementing the 5S methodology leads to benefits such as increased efficiency, improved quality, enhanced safety, and boosted morale. Lean Six Sigma combines Lean and Six Sigma methodologies for process excellence. Lean focuses on eliminating waste to improve flow and speed, emphasizing principles like identifying value from the customer's perspective, mapping the value stream, creating flow by eliminating waste, establishing pull production, and pursuing perfection through continuous improvement. Six Sigma focuses on reducing variation and defects through statistical analysis and process control, emphasizing data-driven decision-making and aiming for just 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Lean Six Sigma combines these approaches to eliminate waste while reducing variation, balancing speed with quality, and leveraging statistical tools with process flow analysis, using the DMAIC. Process: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. The 8 wastes, often remembered by the acronym DOWNTIME, represent different forms of waste that can hinder efficiency and productivity in any process. These are: D for defects, products or services that do not conform to specifications or customer expectations. O for overproduction, producing more than needed or before it is needed. W for waiting, time spent waiting for the next step in a process. N for non-utilized talent, underutilizing people's skills, knowledge, and abilities. T for transportation, unnecessary movement of materials, products, or information. I for inventory, excess products and materials not being processed. M for motion, unnecessary movement of people, equipment, or machinery. E for extra processing, doing more work than required to meet customer needs. Identifying and eliminating these wastes is crucial for streamlining processes and improving overall performance. Visual management tools are essential for making process status and progress visible to all team members. These tools enhance communication, transparency, and accountability, facilitating better decision-making and problem-solving. Here are a few examples. Kanban boards. These visual systems use cards to track work items through different stages of a process, helping to manage workflow, limit work in progress, and identify bottlenecks. Andan system. This visual alert system notifies management, maintenance, and other workers of quality or process problems, empowering team members to stop production when defects are found. Visual dashboards. These provide real-time displays of key performance indicators, or KPIs, and metrics, offering an at-a-glance understanding of current performance compared to targets. A3 problem-solving. This structured approach documents the entire problem-solving process on a single sheet of paper, including the current state, target state, root cause analysis, and action plan. To ensure effective continuous improvement, several key success factors must be in place. These factors create a supportive environment where improvement efforts can thrive and deliver meaningful results. They are leadership commitment. Active engagement and visible support from management at all levels are crucial for driving and sustaining improvement initiatives. Culture of improvement. Creating an environment where change is embraced and ideas are valued encourages employees to actively participate in improvement efforts. Meaningful metrics. Clear, relevant measures are needed to track progress and guide decisions, ensuring that improvement efforts are focused and effective. Consistency and discipline. Sustained focus and regular practice of improvement methods are essential for making continuous improvement a part of the organization's culture. To successfully implement continuous improvement, a phased approach is highly effective. Here's a typical implementation roadmap. Stage 1: Assess. Evaluate current processes, identify improvement opportunities, and determine organizational readiness. Stage 2: Plan. Set clear objectives and goals, select appropriate methodologies, and develop an implementation timeline. Stage 3: Implement. Train teams on chosen methods, execute pilot projects, track metrics, and adjust the approach as needed. Stage 4: Sustain. Standardize successful practices, continuously review and improve processes, and celebrate achievements to reinforce the culture of continuous improvement. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.